Hello everybody. Today I'm going to talk about the technique of solving factorization of quadratic polynomials by cross method. So while doing cross method, what we do is we look for this, we check this last number, the constant. This is 2, so factors of 2. We look for the factors of 2. The factors of 2, the factors of 2 are 2 times 1, both of them positive. It can also be, if we have to list out minus 2 and minus 1, because when you multiply minus 2 and minus 1, the product is positive 2, right? Any more? I don't think so. If you add 2 and 1, it is positive 3. If you add minus 2 and minus 1, it is negative 3. Now we compare this with the coefficient of x over here. The coefficient of x is 3 and this is positive. So the combination of positive 2 and positive 1 satisfies the value of the coefficient of x. That means 2 plus 1 3, so 3 and 3 they are same, so we pick 2 and 1. So how we do is x and positive 2, x and positive 1, the combination of 2 and 1. Now we cross multiply. X and positive 2 is 2x, x and positive 1 is x, so we have plus sign, equals this is 3x. Okay, now we are able to satisfy this 3x with the sign, correct sign, positive sign. That means here x plus 2 and x plus 1, they are the factors of x square plus 3x plus 2 equals x plus 2 and x plus 1. It is now done. This method is called cross method. So first we look for the factors of this. Okay, there are many possibilities. After practicing a lot, you can find the correct factors so fast, so quickly. In the beginning you can check many factors. So when you do that, you look for such number, when you add the factors, you should get this coefficient with this correct sign, plus or minus. Okay, and then you put them like this. So you have 1 2, one factor 2, another factor 1, so x positive 2, x positive 1. So when you do cross multiplication, after cross multiplication you'll put appropriate sign between them, and when you add or subtract it, you should get this middle term hand. Yes, so we don't need to check so many like this. We can beforehand we can check with the correct factor. Now we have another question, one more down here. Here you have minus 3, right? That is negative. So what to do when we have negative? Alright, the factors of this negative minus 3 can be, for example, minus 3 1. This is when you multiply them, it is minus 3. It can also be 3 and minus 1. Alright, if you add or subtract this, if you add minus 3 and 1, it is minus 2. If you add 3 and minus 1, it is positive 2. So I think you have noticed that the combination of 3 and minus 1 is the correct factors, combination for the factors, because the outcome is positive 2, and we have positive 2 over here in the question. So x and 3, x and positive 3, x and negative 1. We have to cross multiply because we must get plus, oh I'm sorry, I wrote x, there is p in the question, let me correct this, p and p, okay, p, 3p, 3 and p, 3p, p and minus 1 minus p, so 3p minus p is 2p, this is positive, so we have here positive 2p and we see positive 2p. That means the combination of p plus 3, p minus 1 is correct. So p square plus 2p minus 3 equals p plus 3, one factor, another factor is p minus 1. Yes, we are done with this. If you look at this question, you have this middle term also negative and this third term is also negative. Alright, so in the first question all of them are positive, in the second question the middle term is positive, the third term is negative, here you have both negative. So if I okay, you can, I mean you must have understood now how you do this. You look for the factors of this 10, okay, and when you add or subtract, you know, the factors, you must get minus 9. So why to deal with 5 times 2, 10? Because you know 5 and 2 is 7, right? 5 and 2 is 7. So let's not deal with this. Let's go straight to 10 and 1, because 10 times 1 is 10, and you know 10 minus 10 and minus 1, 10 and minus 1 is 9. When you subtract, you know, 10, when you add 10 plus minus 1, you get 9. Another condition would be minus 10 and positive 1, this would be minus 9. So you have minus 9 here, right? In the question there is minus 9, so minus 10 and plus 1 gives us minus 9. That means we opt with the combination of 10 and 1. You can also check whether this is correct or not. X minus 10, x positive 1, right? Cross multiply, minus 10x plus x. We multiply x and 1, we multiply x and minus 10. So minus 10 plus x is minus 9x. That means minus 9x, they are same, satisfying. So the combination of x minus 10 and x plus 1, this is the correct one. So the factors of this x square minus 9x minus 10 are x minus 10, x plus 1.